This is Ranjit Dhaiya's new mural by Ida Rahman, Helen and Asha Parekh. This is at Chapel Road, very iconic lane. First there was Anarkali here for many years, and then that went away, and there was this new mural of Messi and football. But I think it did not go well with the Bandaites. They wanted something to identify with India. They wanted something to identify with Bollywood. And this is what the Bollywood Art Project is all about. The Bollywood Art Project is a baby of Ranjit Dhaiya, and he has promoted Bollywood through his murals. He's done murals on Rishi Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar, and lot many more. I have been documenting his work for maybe 5 to 7 years now. Though I have been after knowing him, but before knowing him, I had documented his work. I had documented this lane. I have a set on Flickr.com, which is my archives. It's called Painted Walls. There I have showcased all the beautiful murals of Bandra. Kunal? उधर आ जाओ. This is Mr. Ranjit Dhaiya, the most popular celebrity.
Hi friends.
Wall artist. Now, I want to tell you something about Ranjit Dhaiya. I have told a lot of things about him. He has started a project called Bollywood Art Project. That project has like a white fire that propagates the ethnicity, the beauty, and he has touched the heart of Bollywood. And Mr. Dhaiya, I would like to ask you, what inspired you to do this for Bollywood? Just tell me honestly.
Sir, I think this city inspired me to paint.
And it was not money, but?
No sir, not money. Money to I put it my own money to paint this.
Okay.
My first mural I painted from my own pocket.
Okay.
Second also, third also, so many murals I painted from my...
Yeah, I want people to know.
Yeah.
See, what happens, I'll tell you one thing. I have a camera around my neck.
Yes,
when I go on the road, they think I'm a commercial photographer. I'm not a commercial photographer.
No, of course not.
So same thing with you. When people see your wall, they want to know more about you. They want to, so now, tell me another thing. I'm just asking you, and I'm making a very casual thing. Did any of the Bollywood actors that you have showcased, did they ever approach you or did they ever thank you?
हाँ सर, मेरे को एक बार प्राण साहब के बेटे का फोन आया था.
अच्छा, सिकंद का. हाँ. प्राण सिकंद के बेटे का. सुनील सिकंद.
हाँ, सुनील सिकंद. So he really appreciated what you are doing is really amazing, and I get lots of messages also.
Very good.
People know that there is a guy who is painting Bollywood around the city.
Very good, excellent.
So that people know, I think.
Now I'll tell you another thing here. You have all these youngsters working with you.
Yes.
Do they have a goal?
No sir, it's very random. I mean, these people want to work with me, so they
can learn something.
They approach me like, we really like your work and we want to work with you. So I just like check, see their work, but more their attitude is very important.
No, but they are very passionate.
And,
I've seen your,
yes.
I've seen your staff.
Yeah.
I mean your staff नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, teammates आपके जो हैं, youngsters हैं, बड़े मतलब बहुत उनका, they are really
very like,
Another what other thing you would like to tell, which I have not posed the question as yet. There are so many things. I'm not an artist, as you know very well. I'm just a photographer and a fashion designer.
Other thing I really want to tell, this street art in India is very
limited.
It's a small baby.
Yeah.
So, and we have, whoever is new artists are coming up, they should also have some kind of responsibility rather than making things bad, like vandalism karna. So they can also make things beautiful, rather than just like bigado this, So I just want to build this, the whole street art mission in India
on a platform,
and a good platform, a good spirit is very important.
But I tell you, this lane, Chapel Road, it is a Gautan, it is a East Indian village, fishing village.
Yes.
Baroda Road, Chapel Road, Bazaar Road.
Yeah.
But I tell you, among all the roads, you have enhanced the artistic beauty of Chapel Road. I mean, I know people, mind you, who come and say, यार वो रास्ता किधर है? मतलब कौन सा रास्ता भाई? बोले नहीं जहाँ वो सब artist ने काम किया. So this is the thing that is drawing people. And I tell you another thing. As colors play a very important role in life, I was told, I was a young man at that time. I feel the colors that you have used, and the colors that tell your story, they also holistically heal people. I feel, I don't know, I may be wrong, that certain colors, from within, they soothe the soul. And we Indians are born restless. Basically, we Indians are not, we are always trying to find something, and you have given a good dimension to your art.
Sir, I think we all Indian, I think इस दुनिया में सब लोग हैं, जिज्ञासु तो होना बहुत जरूरी है. Restless is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, if you are not restless, then you are just.
मैंने आपसे ये कहूँगा कि आप मेघालय, शिलोंग में जाके आपने मिथुन का किया, जो भी किया, लेकिन that also brought the people of the northeast towards your art, towards, because I've been to Assam and I've been to Meghalaya also.
हाँ sir, so Bollywood connect everything. Bollywood connect with
everybody
in this country. So I think that's why I just go, whenever I go, I just try to give them the nostalgia of Bollywood.
Really, very good. You have done an excellent job, and I'll tell you another thing. I'm in Bollywood for the last 40 years, and I have also styled the costumes of sea wolves. So Roger Moore and all. That is, I was in Burlington's Taj. And then I'm in Bandra, and I worked with Bada Saab. And then I worked with Mr. Nitin Manmohan. So I'm just telling you that I've been connected to Bollywood for 40 years. But I never saw anybody promote Bollywood the way you have promoted. And without any ulterior motive, mind you.
Sir, I'm just I'm not promoting Bollywood. I'm nobody to promote Bollywood. I'm just
You are inspiring others to see Bollywood through your painting.
हाँ सर, मेरा मेन मुद्दा था कि बॉलीवुड सिटी है ये, इसमें you can't see Bollywood anywhere. So I'm just making Bollywood in the street. If whoever comes with the love of Bollywood, they can just come and see these, and they can be happy.
I tell you another thing. I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray, his father and I share the same. His father and I share the same coach of photography, late Professor B.W. Jatkar, who was from JJ.
Okay. Come under. Hello.
Who was from JJ School of Arts. So I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray should promote this. He's a guardian minister, I believe. But this art, if it is done in other lanes also, not just Bandra. Bandra is, as it is, the queen of the suburbs, you know.
Yes, yes, yes.
But what I feel, that you should be given an opportunity to work with them and promote art and fulfill this passion of yours. You're a young man, you know.
Yes, yes, sir. I mean, I think there are other people also who...
No, I know what I'm saying.
And I think it should be a collective initiative.
Yeah. To bring all the wall artists together on a single platform. And you all, special. There should be an exhibition.
Yes. I mean,
for society, like coronavirus.
Yeah.
You know, the pandemic.
Yeah.
The cyclone. All those things which are topical. So, sir, I thank you very much for your kind interviews. I know you don't give interview to people like... नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं बोला I know you don't give interviews as such. You're a very private person. As I've known, you don't even hunt for publicity. You don't need it. You have so much of publicity. And there's one person who loves you a lot. And now he's at Virar. He's your coach, Surendra Pawar, who is my coach also.
Yes.
He loves you a lot. He keeps every day... He keeps asking me every day, रंजीत कैसा है, रंजीत कैसा है. तो मैं बोलता हूँ रंजीत तो कल से अच्छा है. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा डिजाइनर मास्क पहना है आपने. ये कैल्विन क्लाइन है, मालूम है आपको? और रंजीते क्या बोल रहे हो? इधर आइए. ये देखिए कैल्विन क्लाइन का मास्क पहना है. कैल्विन क्लाइन. अभी हो गया पूरा?
ये आज पेज तो चालू है सर काम.
अच्छा,
आज पेज तो हो जाएगा इसका.
हाँ.
And then we'll start the
finishing touches.
And इसके बाल कर दे ब्लैक सारे. हाँ.
I thought you were going to put masks on them.
No, mask normal लगाएगा.
अच्छा.
अरे चाय ले जाओ सर के लिए. चाय.
आप दोनों को मैंने फेमस बहुत किया है, इतना याद रखिएगा. हेलो, I made both of you all very famous. और सर क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Everything is.
हाँ.
How long do you expect now?
By Sunday will be finished. This Sunday.
How you?
Thursday, right? Friday, Saturday.
Are you satisfied?
I'm very satisfied.
Is that? I mean, has it fulfilled your?
Yes,
your thirst for creativity?
Yes, the expectation, what I want from this world. Yes, because I eagerly want to paint Helen, and that was my dream from last 6-7 years. I want to paint Helen.
You're a great dreamer, yaar.
So this time I got a
But
chance.
I tell you, Mr. Ranjit Dhaya,
yes sir,
somewhere very far, I don't know where, maybe in America, there is somebody dreaming about you.
About me.
I don't know whether it is Ansbro or Politsbro or where. So these are the amazing team workers of my friend Ranjit Dhaya. Yes.
And her name is Anne
Anne
Matos.
Huh?
Anne Matos.
And Matthews.
Matthews.
He's Matthews.
Matthews. And Matthews and Harshad Mumbaikar.
Harshad Mumbaikar. Very good.
So he's very skilled guy.
Yeah, he's very. You told me he's from JJ School of Art.
Yeah, he's from JJ School of Art. And कैसे बात भाई? And he's an amazing person.
Excuse me, madam. Oh, क्या बोला?
And
how do you feel working on this? How do you feel working on this? And मुंबईकर, तुमचा दृष्टिकोन काय आहे? तुमचा दृष्टिकोन काय आहे? नाही मराठीमध्ये सांग ना. मला मराठीमध्ये सांग ना. बरं तुम्हाला तुमची म्हणजे तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाईड आहे? ओके.
एकदम फटाफट चलते हैं, बहुत फास्ट प्लान. हाँ ये वाला 2 दिन में कर दिया ना, बहुत फास्ट प्लान.
The great artist from JJ School of Arts, the great Maibap, owner of National Bakery and the owner of Chapel Road. रंजीत भाई कुछ बोल रही हो? ये शुभम.
हेलो.
ठीक से बोल रहे हैं यार. हेलो क्या? हरिद्वार के रेलवे स्टेशन पे है क्या? द ग्रेट रंजीत धैया.
अरे ग्रेट कहाँ गया? रंजीत भैया बोलता ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट बहुत बड़ा उम्र पे. हम लंडे खा कमा लेंगे.
Come here. How you feel after doing all this? How you feel?
Amazing.
Feeling great?
Yes.
Chalo, I'm happy for you. You have got a good teacher.
That is for sure.
ईद मुबारक. ले जाओ यार, इनको ले जाओ.
अच्छा हाँ समझ गया।
सुबह मेरा भी लगा ऐसा ऐसा। So this was the art of Mr. Ranjit Dharia, the new mural. I have been documenting it for quite some time now. And Ranjit is a great friend of mine. We are both tennis players. He is a better tennis player than me. And the person taking the video now, this portion is Shubham Dharia, Bollywood's young kid. Thank you all for seeing this beautiful mural.
भाई क्या हो गया? क्या बोलता मेरा भाई? How are you?
ठीक है बेटा, एक कप चाय और दे देना।
कौन सी सर?
कोई वही वाली। हाँ
चलेगा ना सर?
हाँ
भाई फिक्स हो गया, अब की बात पक्का।
पुराने दोस्त से मिला, रियूनियन हो गया तो